Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Karen Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these lovely letters to decorate your room out of tissue paper, simple ordinary tissue paper inside. So I spray painted this gold just to spice them up because I wanted to match the sitting room theme that's there. So I just decided to try that out and it came out so lovely and I'm in love with them. Like honestly, I think I'm gonna make more, maybe make more with my name and stuff. Just try them out. I saw them on Pinterest and I thought, why not? So to begin with this tutorial, all I did was to get my pencil, and this is that pencil, the eyebrow pencil, because I thought it was going to be more clearer. I didn't have a marker, so you can get your marker and then trace out the letter L, onto your tissue. So you fold it a bit, then mark out the letter L. So after marking out the letter L, you're going to create the O. So basically I was just shaping the sides. I think you guys can see, just create a round oval and then a dotted center, which you're going to cut out. Then also create the V by, shaping the edges, the bottom part. Then taking the inner part, the top part. Just create that V shape. And then finally you're going to create the E. So look for soft tissue paper, like the inside of the tissue paper, the tissue holder, whatever you call it. Just look for the softer version because the harder one is a bit hard to cut off. So here I'm creating the E. So this is so simple to make, and I saw that it just gave it this nice lovely effect, like it looked so lovely. So afterwards I'm using my scissors to cut out the E shape. And you can use like the paper cutter, that cutter, for cutting cardbox. I used the scissors because that was what was readily available. So you can just do that, and yeah, definitely will come out nice. So while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe bell, And guys, thank you. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. Oh my word. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for liking, sharing, and all the support you guys have shown me. I'm so grateful. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So now I'm cutting out the O, and I'm going to cut out the inside using a razor blade. So if you have the paper cutter, that will work to your advantage. I didn't have that, so I used the razor blade, then cut out with my scissors, of which it really wasn't, it took me time because it wasn't coming out properly because my scissors wasn't cut. I really need to get myself a new pair of scissors. So now I'm cutting the V out, just creating that V shape, just to give it the L-O-V-E, the love, guys, the love. This looks so cute, guys. After making it stand on the wall, it just matched the whole theme that's there, and yeah, I loved it. Then now I'm cutting out the L to complete the L-O-V-E, I think I'm gonna do more of this for my room, really do one with Karen, different bits, just to spice up my room. So now I'm gonna be spray painting this. So while I was spray painting, I was doing the whole drama and the stuff wasn't standing properly. It was falling down because of the pressure from the spray paint, till I had to spice it up and hold the inside and really get it to stand. Look at my hands, guys. Look at my hands, okay? This was really getting on my hands. But yeah, it really came out. So do spray paint the inside as well, just to get it to be neat and just look slay, So yeah, that's just about it. It's just that easy, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Do the most. Leave a comment below if you guys got to try this out, if you thought it was easy, if you thought you enjoyed the video. Just comment down below. So I enjoyed making this. I just saw it and I thought, wow, damn, I can do this. this and teach you guys while we at it. So we're gonna beautify our houses at a very low cost. So why not, guys? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm honestly grateful. I love yours. This is not the end of the road.